Hey guys and gals, it's Sweet Project Cars here with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer and simple ways. Today we are going to share one of our top secret, and of course it's not secret anymore, concoctions for dealing with that petri dish that you call a vehicle. Now, if you're one of these people who drives around with everything going on right now with one of those masks on your face while you're driving at 60 miles an hour, with the windows down, this is something you truly need to use. Now, this works on just about anything that has air coming in or out, AC in the house, vents in the house, your heating system in the house, but mainly we came up with this for vehicles to be able to treat any vehicle and kill every germ and virus inside the ducting and do it within 5 minutes, other than mixing this up. So for all of you that say it was not 5 minutes, it took 10 minutes to do the video. 5 minutes to treat your vehicle once you get done with this. But I tell you, you will absolutely love this. You'll have no more worries. This will last up to 6 months or more, depending on what kind of contaminated area you possibly live in. Now, if you live in a refuse area where the dump is, then you may need to do this more often. So if you live in a dirty city with a lot of exhaust and a lot of people, you may need to do it more often. But this is something you're going to absolutely love. So let's get busy. Oh, and don't forget, our Golden Hammer Awards are coming up. We're going to pick the 3 best products of all time. So you're going to want to see that, the Golden Hammer Awards. You're going to love it. Julio is finally back from vacation. That guy takes a week's vacation every week, I think. Tell him where all the tools are, Julio.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio Cesar Chavez Rodriguez. And also I want to thank Scott Walters and many others for donating to our channel through our PayPal donation link. Folks, every penny helps us to keep doing what we're doing, and we're doing it for you. So make sure you share this video with everyone you can think of that is so worried about all the things going on right now and they want to disinfect their car. You spend a lot of time in your car, you need to do this. If you send us your questions, we'll work really hard to answer them for you. First thing we need right now is 1 tablespoon of this disinfectant spray, the only one we use. And again, all the tools, all this stuff will be in the show more of the video's description. If you don't know where that's at, let us know. So we're going to spray that in a Ziploc bag. All right, that should be close to a tablespoon. Let's see. All right, it could use a little bit more. It's about 3/4 of a tablespoon, but for you, make sure you get a tablespoon in there. And this is safe to do right in your wife's kitchen, guys. Any germs in here will be dead. Next, we want the old 99. The old 99er. We want a tablespoon of that. Now we want a tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide. So if you are worried and you see those people driving down the road at 65 miles an hour or faster or slower with a mask on, with their windows down, you need to stop them and tell them about this video. Now what we want to do is use the remainder of the mixture is distilled water. We're going to fill that cup to 1 cup. There's your mixture, ready to go. You place that in your spray bottle. Now we have some really good spray bottles we're going to put in the tools list as well that will give you that fine mist that you need. So look for that as well. But don't forget about the Golden Hammer Awards. It's going to be good. We got a really cool video coming up again this week. We're going to be doing that. So what I did was, this bottle is full. We usually do full bottles at a time. We'll triple, double, quadruple that mixture to be able to come up with our bottle full. So let's go out and I'll show you how to treat a vehicle. All right, we started the vehicle up, and I'm going to use probably the best headlamp around, and this will be in the tools list as well. Let me put that on and we'll get going here. Now this is on a Kia Sportage, and if you don't know how to change your cabin filter, I'm going to share with you how to do that. These two little tabby doos right here, half turn on that, and then there's one over on this side, half turn on that. You just pull that out. And right here, these two little tabs, you just push down on the end, drops right down. Now, here is your cabin filter. You squeeze, get that in there for you. Squeeze these two things together and pull right out. Right up. There's the cabin filter. Always has an airflow arrow right there to show you. Suck it on there. Right back in. Alright, now all we do, come up here to the dash, you see all of your defrost, your vents, it's on recycle, AC, you can do your heat, you can do every defrost, every vent, you can do the flooring, adjust it between each one, and you'll spray 2 sprays right in there and let it run for a minute. Then you'll move it, say you were on defrost, then you'll move it to vents. You come back, spray 2 sprays in there, let it run for a minute. Then you'll come back and adjust it to floor. Okay, so you're hitting every vent tube that's in this vehicle. I'll share with you how we do that now. Alright, I take my spray bottle and I go like this. 1, 2. And it's actually sucking in all of that stuff around the edges, but it went in, you let it run for a minute. And you can have a partner sitting in the seat on the other side after a minute, have them flip it to defrost. Do the same exact thing again. Then you don't have to worry about germs. They will all be dead in the machine. I call this the machine, the AC climate control machine, blowing germs and viruses, garbage in your face. Then what you want to do, once you're all done with that, take your bottle and spray your filter 2 or 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 for good measure. What that'll do is kill the germs in the filter, so you don't have to buy a new one. If you need one, put it in. But folks, that will suck all that good stuff in here right through it. It doesn't make it wet. It's not wet enough to cause any issues. It'll suck that right through it and continuously be killing germs throughout your system.
Great.